it though? I was so pooped last night. I was like, I'm not going anywhere.
No, it was amazing. Yeah, it was really good.
Good. That's good. Oh wait, Ben's coming over. Oh, you have some. Yeah, sweet.
Excellent.
He's like, you don't need to go to the market. I've got guantes.
I did that years ago. So, and I find that's kind of.
Let's clean up some rubbish. Here in Atitlán, Guatemala, and they started off with yoga and qigong, breathwork meditation, with a theme to clean our inner world before stepping out into the outer world and cleaning our environment. So after a very long and nice, refreshing morning yoga practice, breathwork and qigong, we went out to the beach near the lake and cleaned up trash near the lake, trying to make this place cleaner and sort of show gratitude and reverence for this land and do what we can while we're here.
Yeah, so today at the all local cleanup party I had a really beautiful integrative experience where I got the opportunity to practice what I preach and practice my value system, which is about respecting nature and taking care of our environment, and also seeing our environment as a direct reflection of us. And yeah, so the yoga practice taught by Jessie and Catherine was really beautiful. It was an amazing way to get into the body, to really come into alignment with ourselves first. So then from that place of fullness and a clean internal environment, we can then start to clean up and be in service to our external environment. So yeah, overall I had a really beautiful experience, and I hope to continue this and that it may ripple out across the world.
Today we united the world firsthand.
Many thanks to all of our supporters and participants who assist us in cleaning up our inner and outer world. Special thanks to Nightcrawler for providing the song Happiness. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out more on the Unite the World Firsthand Global Movement. Links in the description.